What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another Tesla video. In this one, I want to talk about the no rinse way of cleaning your Tesla. So basically, you're taking this no rinse solution and it works out to 1 ounce for every 2 gallons of water. And I got it in a spray bottle here. It's all mixed. So basically, you just want to go around, spray the car, use a microfiber cloth to dry it. And then I have this Optimal Car Wax to give it a nice finish. I'm going to give you guys the before, during, and after shots of this so you guys get an idea of how dirty my car was before using this solution, and then I will show you how I apply it all, and then you guys will see the after effect. I've tried so many different products. This has been by far the best in terms of getting the car back to the way I got it the day I picked it up from Tesla. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Let me give you guys a nice panorama of the car and how dirty it is currently. Alright, so you guys saw how dirty my car is. The trick to doing this is you have to clean it one panel at a time. So like I was saying before, it's very simple. All you're doing is spraying, and then you're getting a microfiber cloth and cleaning up where you sprayed. The reason why you do one panel at a time, obviously, is because it's easier to do. In terms of when you do this, you don't want to do it in the direct sun. It can't be like super hot out. You want the car to dry naturally in shade. And you guys can kind of see it ready from this angle, and I'll do it in better pan afterwards, but you can already see from this angle just this one small piece that we've done here so far has made a huge difference. You can see how shiny and clean it is. The other reason why you only do a panel at a time is if you spray the whole entire car, the solution might dry out before you come and you're able to wipe it off with your microfiber cloth. So you definitely want to do it a panel at a time. Alright, so I want to show you a mid comparison as I'm doing this. So you can see here's the top of my car, which I haven't done yet, but you can see here on the left side how dirty it is. And then on the right side where I've done it, it looks like just straight out of the factory. It looks really nice, minus the rock chips that I have on my car, which not much I can do. I have 30,000 plus kilometers on this, and I've had it over a year, so the rock chips are what they are. But you can see in terms of cleaning, this product is absolutely amazing. So let's continue on. For anywhere that you spray on this stuff, when you get your microfiber cloth, you do not want to go any circular motion. You want to go back and forth. If you go any circular motion, it will leave swirls on your paint over time, so you definitely want to go back and forth like so. So when you're doing the side panel, you're going to want to get really low because this part here is generally really dirty. The other thing you will notice inside of here, it's going to look dirty. What you're going to have to do is open the door and let's not hit my camera, and do this part over here because you can use the same solution all on the inside of your door. Alright, so when you're doing this, you want to spray a lot. The liquid acts as a lubricant. With the microfiber cloth, it protects your car so you won't scratch it, and it helps take off all the dirt much easier. So don't be shy when spraying. Spray a lot. As I mentioned in the beginning of the video, it's like 1 or 2 ounces for like a whole gallon or something. So you'll get a lot out of the one bottle anyway, so don't be shy. My car is definitely clean. As you can see here, all the dirt that was on my car is now on my microfiber cloths. Okay, so with the optimal wash, we used a lot of liquid. However, with this one, you want to use as little as possible, and you want to spread it. Highly recommend. You obviously don't use the same cloth that you used to clean the car, because as you saw before, they were very dirty. But once again, you're just spraying a little bit, and then you kind of just spread it around. And once again, you go back and forth. Do not go in circular motions. So just a real quick example of a comparison. Here was the Optimal Car Wax. You can see how shiny it is. There's the reflection of the tree behind me. It is super, super bright. And then up here, it's still reflective because the car is clean. These noisy ice cars, I'm going to leave that in there. Messing up my video. But you can see here, it is not as reflective. So once you spray the Optimal Car Wax on, you're going to see the huge noticeable difference in terms of how shiny it is. Basically like factory versus non. Alright, so I'm going to give you the full tour around, and as I do that, this is just the outside of the car. On the next one, I'll show you the glass and some tips and tricks on how to do that, as well as the inside of the car, which will be a separate video altogether. So if you are interested in that, make sure you guys are subscribed for more Tesla content. If you enjoyed this video, do like it, and make sure you guys do subscribe for more Tesla content. And most importantly, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time.